You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. This is generally a surname of Italian origin. Let's break down how to pronounce it originally with the Italian pronunciation and how it's pronounced in English. Tucci, because you have double C, and C before an I in Italian is pronounced like CH. Because you have two C's, it means you have to really stress on this ch sound, make it twice as long. Tucci, Tucci. In English, simply Tucci. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.